I'm the sweet and the spicy all in one. Want a piece, take a number, order up. Got the sauce that I'm making, haters to the back, winners to the front. Faster than a rocket on a runaway train. Like it when I pop it, wanna call me champagne. Bringing all the magic like Aladdin and Saint. Say abracadabra, okay? 1, 2, I got the 1, 2. Yes, I.
Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today.
Defender then back on the ball.
And out for the throw-in. You've lost possession. Now we'll run through the control. Use the B button to pressure the ball. Use the A button. Use the C button to change the active player. Let's get back to the action. He dribbles the ball forward. Great footwork there. Great dribbling. He's unstoppable with the ball. Finds his teammate. Disappointed with that effort.
Wide of the mark from the player. Let's take another look at it.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
Defender is on the ball. Defender in possession.
And that's a throw-in. And the team swap possession again. That's nicely played. Using the width here. And he stayed, what a chance.
The players are tussling for position. What corner will we see here?
Great chance here. Shoots, his teammates swarming. Rightly so. Great stuff.
Let's take another look at that.
And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. He's getting back inside. Good ball.
Confident defending. And with the defender now. Defending. Distributes the play. He's unstoppable with the ball.
Oh, he did really well there. Long ball then.
And we're into stoppage time now. Shoots.
Got the best effort there. Let's see how close that one was to going in. There's the whistle. It's half-time.
To the world of the modern youth.
This league encounter resumes now as we kick off for the second half.
He's read that one absolutely perfectly. It's with the defender now. The defender could be in trouble here, at the striker's feet. Great dribbling.
That's good link-up play. And that's a throw-in. Players then warming up on the touchline.
Intercepted. Confident defending.
Good ball.
He's so skillful on the ball. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside.
Played back to the goalkeeper.
Confident pass. Defender in possession.
Well, they've got a chance just to regroup now. That's good link-up play. Nice work there.
attacker is in possession.
This team look eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get. He must score, surely. Oh, that's well over.
We won't want to see this replay.
Some of your players are getting tired. You should bring on a substitute. To do this, pause the game and enter team.